Hello and welcome to Chemistry Nuggets, where you can polish your knowledge and clear doubts. So friends, today's video is question number 2.15 from NCERT textbook class 11 and the chapter name is Structure of Atom. So let's check the question. What is the maximum number of emission lines when the excited electron of hydrogen atom in n is equal to 6 drops to the ground state? So friends, assume a nucleus of hydrogen atom and the only electron of hydrogen atom, now it is in the n is equal to 6. Something here. So this level is called n is equal to 6. Now this electron will drop down to n is equal to 1, that is ground state. So energy will be released and a line will be formed. This line is called emission line. These lines are called emission lines. So now in this question they are asking number of emission lines, how many it will create. So here value of n is equal to 6. So formula, directly we will put in the formula, number of emission lines is equal to n minus 1 divided by 2. Now here value of n is 6. Again 6 minus 1 divided by 2. Now 6 into 6 minus 1, that is 5 divided by 2. Now 2 3s are 6. Now 5 3s are 15 lines. So this question is solved now. So when we put in the formula, we get the value 15 lines. So total number of emission lines which will be created, those are 15 in number. So friends, calculation is very easy, and for this very easy calculation we just give only 1 or 2 minutes. So keep studying, keep rocking, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, thank you.